all the way from children to senior adults to actually come in, avail of our services and make sure that you get treated. The treatment here will be done by optometrists. If you require further treatment, then we will be running teleconsultation facilities to make sure that some doctor from a nearby hospital actually take care of you. So please try out our stores and welcome once again to our stores. Thank you.
We are connected to East Tamram, West Tamram main hospital. Ange immediately anga paapom. Anga we will refer to them and anga வந்து எங்க டாக்டர் வந்து கன்சல்டிங் பண்ணி அதுக்கு தேவையான ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் இங்க தேவையானது இங்கேயே நாங்க கொடுப்போம். இல்ல அங்க தேவை அங்க ரெஃபர் பண்ணனும்னா அங்க வந்து நாங்க we will take it by van and on priority basis ஏனா இங்கே விஷன்லாம் பார்க்கறதால டைரக்ட்டா அங்க பாத்துருவோம். இங்க இருந்து ஈஸ்ட் தாம்பரம் இருந்து வெஸ்ட் தாம்பரம் people travel பண்ண வேண்டாம்னு ஒரு ஐடியா இது. அதனால we will reaching out to people, more people. இதே மாதிரி all over India they are paying to tier 2 tier cities la பாத்தீங்கன்னா டாக்டர்ஸ் ரீச் அவுட் பண்றதே ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். அங்கெல்லாம் இந்த டெலி ஆப்டோமெட்ரி கன்சல்டேஷன்ல கண்ணாடி பார்க்க வரவங்களுக்கு அவங்களுக்கு ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கு இல்ல கண்ணுல பிரஷர் இருக்கு இதெல்லாம் தெரியாது. ஸோ இதெல்லாம் இங்கே ஸ்க்ரீன் பண்ணி we diagnose and treat as well as not only giving fashionable glasses, we treat the disease also.
Dr. Adil and Dr. Srinivas Rao has already mentioned, the whole aim of this initiative is that we want to reach out to every single person who today is not able to access eye care because they do not have access. So we will be in tier 2, tier 3 towns. We will give them holistic eye care, and wherever they will require a doctor consult, that will be done through teleconsultation. And whosoever will require surgery, will make sure that they also get referred to our main base branches where the doctors will be taking care of them. So as a result of which, what will happen is they will not be lost, they will not be unsure of what is happening to their eyes. Even when they walk into a 20/20 eye care center, they will get a complete clear idea of what's wrong with their eye and what is the treatment that is required. So our goal is to make sure that eye care reaches each and every household in a very simple fashion. Thank you.
Vanakkam. I think this is my 4th association with Agarwal Eye Hospital. And எனக்கு ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம் தோணுச்சு எப்பவுமே, the fact that I think when I was growing up, எங்கள் ஃபேமிலியில் whenever எங்கள் பாட்டிக்கு cataract operation தேவைப்பட்டுச்சு, they had to plan a surgery, they had to travel from here to somewhere to plan it and get it done. But with Agarwal Eye Hospital, I think they take the eye care to the customers, the patients, and I think that's their USP, because over center, it's been in a tier 2 or tier 3 part of the world, and even here in Gaurivakkam. Normally England maybe they have to travel into the city, but now the store has come to them. So too much of noise.
Silence.
So that's something I really appreciate about these guys. Hats off to you guys.
Thank you.
For pulling
Thank you
off
very much.
Yet another one of your lovely little, this time it's a store, not a hospital. I love the color theme. It's really young and hip, and I was trying on some glasses also inside. They're very cute. So, and of course, the fact that you can also test your eyes while you're getting your glasses and get necessary eye care if required is a wonderful thing. So congratulations and all the very best on yet another one of your new ventures.
Thank you, Andrea. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you.